Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS. Sculpted, muscular, aggressive. This amazing luxury four-door coupe is without a doubt a treat for the eyes. The exquisite interior and powerful engine please the rest of your senses. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, twin turbo V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, automated parking sensors, and multi-zone climate control. Automobile raves, this is the best looking CLS yet. Its revised front end sporting fat air intakes and a chrome diamond grille that resembles a constellation of stars. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,